Yo, what's up, yo?
Yo, what's up, man?
Hey, didn't you hear it last time, man?
What?
Them dudes, the warm-ups for the great artists,
yeah.
man. Every single time,
Fuck
man.
that, man.
What the fuck?
I know, man,
Oh,
I know.
Shane, what's up with that? Hey, yo, man, what's up with that? I don't know, man. Come on, what's up with that? Hey, yo, check it out, yo, what's up with that? I don't know. Come on, what's up with that? I don't wanna be a hater, but what's up with that? Half of these fucking fakers don't know how to rap. Singing, remember me and now you're ready to clap. Remember in South Park when music sounded like crap. What's happening? They all brabbling, saying nothing and still get more chances when they have good marketing, mastering or mixing, fixing a warm up. I'm at the main shows but don't know how to rock it, so I got to react to that. Smack some fat raps on the track to show you what's real and what's whack. I don't get it anymore. You wanna open the floor with groups that have too much ego? They all forget the flow. Bars, every bar, say some words and that's it, yo. What? Really? That's it? Yeah, like I said, I don't get it, but I'm the first to admit I'm a little jealous, kid. But it didn't have to be me standing there next to meth, but a little bit more suitable would be good to go. Show them artists here in Belgium we can also rock the show. Dig the records, I'm being a master of the whole ceremony, not just another rapper but a real MC. So I'm looking low, so make them open their eyes. I realize the crowds are mostly down with the underground. So like Redman said, but we need the help too, so reply if you're down with it. I know it's what they all say, but come on, man, what's up with that? Yo, come on, yo, what's up with that? I don't know, man. Hey, yo, what's up with that? I don't know, man. Come on, what's up with that? I don't know. Like I said, what's up with that? Like I said, come on, what's up with that? I don't know, man. I don't know, but what's up with that? I don't know. Come on, what's up with that? Yo, what's up with that?
I don't wanna be a hater, but what's up with that? Most music nowadays is a bunch of crap, you can't stand it. We be bringing you what you demanding. I know that I'm repeating myself, but god damn it, it's like y'all didn't really listen the first time. And now everybody's supporting groups that sound like they're spitting their first rhyme. Radios embrace them, it's like everyone forgot how music used to be sacred. Rapping ain't a hobby but a way of living, so pardon me if I see right through the fakeness that you're bringing on stage. It should be someone else rocking it. Maybe us, maybe Beat Junks could drop some shit. Some real artists who fit in with the concert and conquer the crowd like microphone monsters. Can you dig it? I'm just being honest. When they say they used to follow prophets, now they follow prophets. In it for the dough, that's why half of y'all lost it. Well, JNS is in it for the flow. He about to bring it to you uncut raw, like you never ever seen before. Show you that the underground is capable of rocking. When we're on stage, we keep the people's heads nodding. Bump the this and bump the that. It took us a while, but we ready to bring it back. Every night we pray to God, please. No more whack MCs on the scene, but it seems that they're running rap. But it's only an illusion, everybody is believing it. Hey yo, Jay, what's up with that?
Come on, yo, what's up with that? I don't know, man. Hey yo, what's up with that? I don't know, man. Come on, what's up with that? I don't know. Like I said, what's up with that? Like I said, come on, what's up with that? I don't know, man. I don't know, but what's up with that? I don't know. Come on, what's up with that? Yo, what's up with that?
Do you really think we should be telling our son what music he can and can't listen to?
Yes, I do, if it's that stupid garbage. You haven't heard it? It's terrible. It's hardly even music. It just sounds like crap.
Sharon, come on. Don't you remember being younger and having our parents say the music we like sounded like crap?
This is different.
So, here we are. Now we're the old people who think the younger generation's music sounds like shit.